Good morning, students. Welcome back to your Max online class. I hope you're safe, also doing great. So, we are doing Unit 1 Relation and Functions. Am I right? So, today we can just recall the previous class portion after we can go to our portion. So, you have learned complement of a set that is given in that picture. Just you remember what is complement of a set. Also, you have learned A union B. Union means altogether you have to collect all the elements from this both set. You have learned this A intersection B. Then A intersection B meaning is you can collect only the common elements from the both set. Also, difference of a set. So A minus B, what is A minus B and B minus A? A minus B meaning is you can remove the B elements from A set. B minus A meaning is you can remove A elements from B set. Okay. Students, this note, you have many notes in this lesson. You have to learn this notes. Okay. Everything is simple, very practically. You can find out A intersection B meaning is that is A itself because both set are A. Common element is the set itself, the same thing. A and intersect, A and pi, empty set. So can you find any other common element? No, the set will be empty. Like that some notes are here, everything is just practically. Okay, just you can remember it because we will apply this concept in few problems. So when we do the problem, I will explain about it. Example 1.14, see the question. If A equal to set of all minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4 and B equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, you have to find out first part A minus B, second part B minus A. So first we can write what are the things are given. So first we can write given A equal to set of all minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. Next we can write the B set. B equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Next we can do the first part. A minus B. So for doing that, A minus B equal to write the set A. Set A is minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. Then minus the set B. 0, 1, 2, 4. So we have to remove the B elements from A set. The meaning is you have to remove B from A. So see this question. What are the B elements in A set? First we can identify. See, 0 is not here, 1 is here. 2 is not here, 4 is here. So we have to remove these two elements because it is B elements. Our question is A minus B. From A we have to remove B elements. So 1 and 4 are B elements. This you can remove. So you will get set minus 3 and minus 2. So it is A minus B. Next we can write B minus A. So for that first you can write the B set. The B set is 0, 1, 2, 4. Then minus the A set is minus 3, minus 2, 1, 4. So that is equal to, what is this? B minus A meaning is you have to remove A elements from B set. Okay, you have to remove A element from B set. So find out the A element in B set. So this is A element, minus 3 is not here, minus 2 is not here, 1 is here, 4 is here. So you can remove these two elements because it is A elements. We need B minus A. So remaining are 0 and 2. Are you clear? So this is the way we can write A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B meaning is we can remove B element from A set. B minus A means we can remove A element from B set. Clear? See the question. This is exercise 1.3. First part. Already some subdivisions are completed. Only 5 and 6 are pending. Now we are going to do that. So it is the given set. So it is A set, it is B set, it is totally universal set. Okay. So from here we are going to write A minus B. You know that A minus B meaning is, what is A minus B part? Already we learn in this Venn diagram. So from A we can remove B part. So in A set, some parts are common for B and A. So you should not take that because some B elements are here. We need B, A minus B. So from the set A, you can remove B. So only we will get these elements. So our A minus B will be 2, 8, 10. Otherwise 2, 10, 8. Clear? It is A minus B. This is set A minus B. Next, B minus A. Next one is B minus A. How can you identify B minus A? B minus A meaning is from B set, remove A. We don't want A set. So, we will get, it is B, from B set, remove A. All the A part we can remove. So, we will get only this part. The elements are 9, 6, 3, 11. 9, 6, 3, 11. Are you clear? It is B minus A. Okay. We can practice some other exercise that will be easy to understand these concepts. See, exercise 1.3, second question. Find A union B and A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A for the following set. So there are 4 subdivisions. First and second are homework. This is exercise 1.3. Question number 2. First and second part homework. So I am doing the third and fourth part. Just listen it carefully. That will be easy for you. Okay. So first we can write what is given. So given A equal to set of all x such that x belongs to n, x less than or equal to 10. Actually, what is the set? It is in set builder form. We can write in roster form. That is easy for us. So, you have to choose the elements from natural number. You know, natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Also, our numbers less than or equal to 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have equal to, so we can choose 10. So, it is A set. Next, we can write B set. B equal to, the given is set of all x such that x belongs to W, x less than 6. So what is W? W means whole numbers. This whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So we can write the number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should not take the 6 because we don't have the equal to symbol. Okay. Then we can do one by one. Then first one is A union B. What is the meaning of A union B? A union B means altogether A and B. You have to write all the elements from the both sets A and B. You can write this in one line. If you are expert to write this, you can just write it in one line. Otherwise, you can write that. First, you write A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then union. Next, you can write the B set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Okay. So union meaning is you have to collect all the elements from the both set, but we should not repeat the elements. Okay. So first I am writing the 0 because that's good for us, because that will be looking good. Next, 1 is common. 1 is the element. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have written all the elements. Okay. Just you can check it. I have written all the elements. Next we can write second part. A intersection B. Okay. You know the meaning of intersection. Intersection meaning is you have to collect the common elements. So intersection you can collect only the common elements. First you can write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is set A. Then intersection. Right set B set. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So collect only the common elements. So 1 is in both sets. So we can write 1. 2 also in both set. 3 also in both set. 4 also in both set. 5 also here and there. Then 6 only here. So remaining all the elements we could not find in both sets. So intersection meaning is we have to write only the common elements. The common elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining elements you cannot find. Okay. So it is A intersection B. Next we can write A minus B. Third part is A minus B. So A minus B, same thing. First you write A set. Next you can write the B set. Okay. So A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then minus B set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is B set. So what is the meaning of A minus B? From A set you have to remove the B element. This is the meaning. From A set you have to remove the B element. So it is set A. So what are the B elements are there? See, 1 is the B element. 2 also a B element. 3 is a B element. 4 is a B element. 5 is a B element. Remaining are not B elements. So we can write that remaining elements 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So actual meaning is from A set you have to remove B. Next one is B minus A. So B minus A. What is the meaning of B minus A? From B set we can remove A set, A elements. So first I can write the B set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the B set. Minus. Next we can write A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. It is B set. So from B set just remove the A element. So find the A elements. See, 1 is a A element, 2 is a A element, 3 is a A element, 4 is a A element, 5 is a A element. So remaining only 0 is here. So our answer is singleton set 0. So are you clear? So B minus A is we can remove A elements from the set B. Clear now? So we can do the fourth one. See the fourth part. A equal to set of all letters in the word mathematics. Then B equal to set of all letters in the word geometry. So first we can write what are the letters, okay? So A equal to, so letters in mathematics. What are the letters in mathematics? M, A, T, H, E. Already M written, already A written, already T written, then I, C, S. So these are the letters in mathematics. Next we can write B equal to the set of all letters in this word geometry. So G, E, O, M, already E written, T, R, Y. Okay. So now you have two sets. So using the set we can find one by one. So first we can find the A union B. You know the meaning of A union B? A union B meaning is you have to collect all the elements from both sets. So A set, we can write first A set M A T H E I C S. Then union, then B set G E O M T or Y. It is B set. Next we can write the union. So union means collect all the elements. So first we can write one by one. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. First set element over. Next set element G. E already written, so no need to write. O, M already written, no need to write. Then T also already written. R is not here. Then Y is not here. It is A union B. Okay. Next we can write intersection. A intersection B. So second one. A intersection meaning is common. Intersection meaning is common. So first you can write the A set. M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S. It is A set. Then intersection. Then B set. G-E-O-M-T-R-Y. So collect only the common elements. What are the common elements? M here and there. Common. A, no. T here and there. Okay. H, no. G here and there. Okay. I, no. C also not. S also not. So only the common elements are M, T, E. Okay. This is A intersection B. So next we can write third one. A minus B. What is the meaning of A minus B? From the set A, we can remove the B elements. So first I can write the A set. M-A-T-H-E-I-C-S. It is A set. Then minus B set is G-E-O-M-T-R-Y. It is B set. Okay. So from A set, remove B elements. What are the B elements? First we can circle it. G, no. E is B element. M is B element. T is B element. Okay. So we can remove these elements. Write the remaining A elements. So we should not write any other B elements. Only A elements. So remaining is A, T, I, C, S. It is A minus B. So next we can write B minus A. Fourth one, B minus A equal to, write the A, B set first. So B set is G, E, O, M, T, R, Y. It is B set. Then minus A set is M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. It is A set. The meaning is we can remove A element because minus A. We can remove A element from the B set. What are the A elements are here? M, T, E. Okay. So remove this A elements, write the remaining. So remaining are G, O, R, Y. This is your answer. Okay. H. Next one, exercise problem 3. If the universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, then A set B, D, F, H, then B set A, D, E, H. We have to find the following set. There are 8 subdivisions. We can do one by one. So you can do this in 2 methods. If you plot this numbers in this Venn diagram, that also correct. Otherwise, you can follow this method. See, the first part is A dash. So A dash. So what is the meaning of A dash? A dash means A complement. You can say this as A complement. How can you say A complement? So from the universal set, you can remove A. In your book there you have a formula. You can follow it. That will be easy for you. A complement equal to minus A. Actual meaning is, see this. This is the universal set U. It is A. Set A. So A complement meaning is this everything. So from the universal set, just we remove A set. So we got A complement. Okay. So if you apply that, that will be easy for you. So A complement equal to U minus A. Okay. Then that is equal to U value is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then minus A value is B, D, F, H. So from the universal set we can remove A. Then we will get A complement. Okay. So what are the A elements are here? B is A element, D is, F is, and H is. These all are A elements. So remaining elements are set of all A, C, E, G. So this is your A complement. So next part is B complement. Okay. So same thing. B complement, what is the formula? B complement equal to universal set minus B set. Okay. The universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then minus the B set is A, D, E, H. So remove B elements from this universal set. So this is B element, this is B element, this is, and this is. Let's remove the element and write the answer. That is equal to set of all B, C, F, G. Okay. Third one is A dash union B dash. For that, already we found the A dash value. Just you can write the A dash value. A, C, E, H. This is A dash value. Then union B dash value is B, C, F, G. Okay. Just find out union. Union meaning is all together. Together. So write A is here. A, B, C. Okay, we can write it. A, C, E, H, G, H. I written the A dash element first. Next we can write the B dash element. B we didn't write. C already we written. F we didn't write. Then G already written. So this is A dash union B. For this, first you can find out the A union B value. So A union B equal to, just you can write the A and B elements all together. For that I am writing the A set first. If you can write, just you can write in one line. That's your talent. So first I am writing the A set B, D, F, H. Then union B set A, D, E, H. Then we can write it. So B, D, F, H. I written this set. Next we can write the next set. A, D already written. E, H already written. So this is A union B. So we need A union B complement. So wherever you see complement, just you have to remove A union B from universal set. From the universal set, just remove this inside that A union B. Okay. So that is equal to, your universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is your universal set. Then minus A union B is, just we found out, B, D, F, H, A, E. Okay. Next we are going to remove A union B from this universal set. B is here. D is here. F is here. H is here. A is here. E is here. So only the elements not here is C and G. So this is A union B complement. Okay. Next one is A intersection B complement. So for this A intersection B complement, first we have to know what is A intersection B. Okay. So A intersection B equal to, first we can write A set, next we can write B set. Then we can find out the common element, that is known as A intersection B. So A set is B, D, F, H. Intersection B set is A, D, E, H. So intersection meaning is common element. Find out the common elements. B is not common element, D is common, H is common. Okay, so thus we can write the set D and H are common in both. Okay, next we can find out the complement. So already I informed you how can we find out complement. From the universal set, just you can remove the A intersection B, you will get A complement. So what is the universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then minus your B intersection set is D and H. Okay. So from the universal set, just remove this elements, you will get the answer. So D element, we can remove it. H element, we can remove it. You can remove and just write the remaining set of all A, B, C, E, F, G. So this is A intersection B complement. So your last, not seventh part is A complement, the whole complement. Okay. If you use the element also, you will get the answer. But we have a note. So we have A complement, the whole complement equal to the set A. Okay. See, it is a universal set. It is the set A. A complement meaning is this one. It is known as A complement. Again, if you take complement, what will happen? You have to choose only this A set. That is the reason we are getting A complement, the whole complement equal to A. So, we can write A complement, the whole complement equal to, we can write the A set. Simply we found out. B, D, F, H. Okay. The same thing. Last part. B complement, the whole complement equal to, we have B complement, the whole complement equal to the set B. So, we can write this as B complement, the whole complement equal to B, that is equal to set of all B set I am writing A, D, E, H. Okay. So, this is third problem. Fourth question also your homework question. So, I am writing your homework question here. It is same thing. So, exercise 1.3, question number 2, subdivision 1 and 2. Also, question number 4. So, this is your homework. Just do it, okay? Today itself you will do it because tomorrow again you will have homework. Thank you.